Bitcoin, or BTC, receives the biggest chunk of cryptocurrency media attention, and with good reason. However, it is not the only crypto game in town. Thousands of new cryptocurrencies have emerged, creating a perplexing picture for investors. A few of these altcoins have significant technological advances that set them apart from Bitcoin, whereas others have essentially become well-known virtual currency identities and social media memes. But do you know which of these altcoins you should definitely get? We'll let you know today. Before moving ahead, please take a brief moment, go down and hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and subscribe to stay connected. An altcoin is an alternative digital asset such as a coin or token that is not Bitcoin. The goal of altcoins is to use the crypto network, which is built on open source blockchain technology, and to provide alternative use cases to the existing financial system and large tech corporations. For today's video, we will be talking about the 7 best altcoins to add to your wallet. Let's begin. Number 1. Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum is a decentralized open source blockchain that supports smart contracts. Ether is the platform's native cryptocurrency. In terms of market capitalization, Ether is second only to Bitcoin. Vitalik Buterin, a programmer, created Ethereum in 2013. Ethereum is a programmable blockchain that has applications in a variety of fields such as DeFi, smart contracts, and NFTs. Their decentralized nature is a significant departure from traditional currencies, yet they are not universally acknowledged. While Bitcoin is more commonly acknowledged and regarded as an international digital currency, Ether is exclusively accepted for transactions involving digital applications, or dApps, running on the Ethereum network. The Ethereum network is the largest and oldest Bitcoin rival, but it was developed with a completely different objective in mind than Bitcoin. The Ethereum blockchain was the first to include smart contracts, which are pieces of code that allow decentralized apps, or dApps, to execute. According to the website State of the dApps, there are currently 2,921 dApps functioning on the Ethereum network. The Ethereum network is home to dApps for gaming, gambling, socializing, decentralized finance, or DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. The network's functionality is one of the reasons Ether, the Ethereum's network native asset, has outperformed Bitcoin in recent years. Number 2. Ripple, XRP. Ripple is an authentic gross settlement system, currency exchange, and remittance network developed by Ripple Labs Inc., a technology firm located in the United States. In general, cryptocurrencies are volatile, and XRP is in an even more complex situation. If you believe Ripple will continue to expand, a little investment in XRP may be worthwhile. It's not as safe as investing in equities, but if Ripple succeeds, you may profit handsomely. The Ripple blockchain, unlike those of other cryptocurrencies, is not exposed to the public. XRP may be safely saved and retained, and it employs encryption to safeguard participants, but the nodes it protects aren't individuals, but trusted Ripple network administrators. Ripple is a worldwide digital finance transaction network that enables transactions between banks and other financial organizations. Ripple is supposed to be a faster, cheaper, and more secure alternative to the SWIFT, Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications, money transmission system. XRP is the native coin for the Ripple network and the XRP Ledger blockchain. The average XRP transaction takes roughly 5 seconds and costs less than 1 penny. XRP transactions are validated via a consensus mechanism in which only transactions deemed as valid by a majority of validators are added to the ledger. Number 3. Solana, SOL. Solana is a public blockchain platform that supports smart contracts. SOL, or SOL, is its native cryptocurrency. Solana strives to outperform Ethereum by offering quicker transaction speeds and lower costs. Solana was one of the year's best performing cryptocurrencies. It began the year ranked 120th in terms of market capitalization and concluded 5th, surpassing heavyweights such as Cardano, ADA, and POLKADOT. Solana is a smart contract cryptocurrency that some feel has the potential to compete with Ethereum. Solana is a relatively very new cryptocurrency that debuted in March 2020. With a market valuation of $31 billion, the coin has swiftly gained a large following and is currently the 6th most valuable cryptocurrency in the world, excluding stablecoins. Solana, like Ethereum, enables dApps and NFTs. However, it has considerably fewer applications on its blockchain than Ethereum. Solana's unique mixture of proof of history (POH) and proof of stake (POS) transaction verification provides it with various benefits over Ethereum, including quicker and less expensive transaction verification. Solana transactions also use significantly less energy than Bitcoin or Ethereum transactions, making it a much greener option. Number 4. Polkadot. Polkadot is a blockchain technology and coin that enables distributed computing. A proof-of-stake consensus technique is used in the network. Blind assignment for blockchain extension is a protocol inspired by Ouroboros. Polkadot is still in its infancy. If you enjoy taking chances, your investment might pay off well in the long term. However, it might fail if a competitor with newer, superior technology comes along and overtakes Polkadot. Gavin Wood, co-founder of Ethereum, announced the Polkadot blockchain in 2020. Polkadot has a core network blockchain on which transactions are permanently recorded. The technology's distinguishing feature is its parachains, which are user-created blockchains that may be modified while maintaining the same security precautions as the main Polkadot chain. Users can tailor separate Polkadot parachains to specific purposes, but the network just requires enough computer power to run the main chain. In December, Germany's largest telecom operator, OTC-listed Deutsche Telekom AG, ticker DTEGY, purchased some of Polkadot's native DOGECOIN as part of its attempt to integrate cryptocurrencies into its accounting system. Hold on! Please click that subscribe button to get an alert for more updates. Also, don't forget to leave a like. Do you have any questions so far? Tell us in the comments below. We will respond to you as soon as possible. Moving on to the remaining altcoins. Number 5. DOGECOIN, Doge. DOGECOIN is a cryptocurrency founded by software programmers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer as a joke in response to the rampant speculation of cryptocurrencies at the time. It is regarded as the first meme coin as well as the first dog coin. DOGECOIN is one of the most active and biggest communities in the cryptocurrency industry. This community has banded together to support a variety of humanitarian endeavors and other causes. They were even able to sponsor a NASCAR race. Today, one of the most frequent uses for DOGECOIN is as a tipping service. If you've been following cryptocurrency news at all, you've probably heard about DOGECOIN. The cryptocurrency, which was launched in 2013 as a spoof of Bitcoin, has grown to become one of the world's most popular and valuable digital currency companies, owing in large part to its viral Shiba Inu mascot. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla Inc. (TSLA) and a DOGECOIN investor, recently pushed McDonald's Corp. (MCD) to begin accepting DOGECOIN as payment. Billionaire entrepreneur Mark Cuban is also a fan of DOGECOIN, describing it as the strongest cryptocurrency and means of trade.